Okay, now we are at the end of our model and hopefully very close to making a decision, although I could say now we're going to do the internal rate of return and analyze that first. So cash, savings, and IRR summary. So we're going to do the year sold because that's very important. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, year sold. Oh, this is year 0. Sorry, we're gonna do the year 0. Now down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then because we need the year 0 because at year 0 we actually made a down payment, so we're gonna put it right here. Down payment equals the equity investment. So the down payment is a negative, is an outflow. So down payment, we're going to lock it so we can just drag it down with no complications. There you go. Okay, so for year 1 we are going to have equal to our after-tax cash flow, own versus rent, plus our benefit from sale, and then we're going to have the after-tax cash flow for the remaining periods. We're just gonna lock it here and copy there. For year number 2, same thing, after-tax cash flow from benefits plus benefits from sale, and then this is equal to only the after cash flow own versus rent. We'll secure it, copy it down. Now for year 3 we will have equal, same thing, ATCF plus benefit from sale, and then finally ATCF. Same thing for year number 4 and then year number 5. And now we're going to calculate the IRR. For IRR, we are only going to do equal IRR and then do the values. And for our guess, we'll do 0.1. The second IRR will be equal to IRR, our values, and then our guess. Same thing for year 3, year 4, and 5. Okay, so we're going to do this chart using this little icon. In order to change colors, we will use this little tank right here. You can choose any color you want, change the color of the cell that you're using. And then to do the lines around the chart, you just use this little icon right here, the borders, so you can choose whatever border you prefer. And now finally for our decision, So now that we have completed our model, we can look at the IRR and see that the very first year obviously is not such a good idea to really buy this place. It's probably a better idea to actually sell it. I mean rent it, and then after that, year 2, 6% IRR. I would personally wouldn't buy this, wouldn't really own this house because I would like a rate of return higher than that. In the third year, the rate of return is 12, and the fourth is 14, and finally the fifth year is 15. So it will really depend on what is your risk and like what is your rate of return that you would decide if you were to sell this house. We can see from here is that obviously the very first year, better idea rent and rather than own, and then after that it will depend on the person, depending on their investors rate of return pretty much, so they can compare it to the internal rate of return that we had just calculated from this model. So that's it. Thank you for watching.